playing guess the words. That's fine. I'm sorry I broke that.
Na, ikaw na tayo nag-book nito.
You're sorry.
Oh, ito. Sobrang
And
Ano yan?
today, and this is her.
Vlog na si Pia.
Et diba?
That's mine.
Hi.
So this is like, it's like, and I just already ate and I drink some.
Yung pusa
Right.
i-vlog mo yun.
In
Pusa daw, where's
this
the
is,
pusa?
there's also some pusa.
Gating ka.
Wait. One over there. There's literally pusa there. Hello.
Kaya baka mahulog yan dito. Ito ka lang. Baka mahulog yan
Okay.
sa bornal yung cellphone. Naku.
Sorry.
Sorry, cellphone.
Pilipinas pa.
Yes.
Putong
ka na.
No.
Bicol.
We just ate, finished, and they're guessing.
Makati.
No.
What does that say? What does it say?
Ano nga probinsya yan?
What does it say? I can't read it.
Quezon. Bacolod.
Wow. Hindi.
Baguio.
No.
Tagaytay.
Oh!
Wala nga eh.
Isa pa. Ba't tinanggal mo dito?
Basta hulaan magaling si Luis.
Gawain niya na yan eh. Ito. Sana alam mo to, Choy. Madali lang naman to.
Kapag wala pang susi?
Oh, sobrang
Ah.
basic naman. Oh, ito.
That cat is injured.
Sa rainbow?
Ano?
One of the
Luzon.
most biggest cities in No, hindi na sa hindi.
Tita is smiling because he's
Hindi.
Mindanao.
Oo.
and we don't have a car.
Nasa taas yung sagot mo.
And we have a tricycle.
Where's the car?
And
Sa amin na lang.
there's another cat right there. And a lot of plants. Some of them has a beard
Di mo sa
like that one.
alam sa nakatira yun.
And a beautiful sky.
Yan.
Hindi oh.
It's so wonderful here. But sometimes you can be burned by that fire like she does.
May A. Nag-end sa O.
You have a lot of boo-boos.
Ano una? Latest.
Ay, wow. Wala na letter B. Pautak ka na. Nagsisimula. Ay, hindi. Nag-end sa letter O.
Parang constitution yan.
Louis is guessing it and he's so good of countries but not the other.
Ah.
I cannot read it.
Nakita mo ma? Wala pa nga siya sagot.
Mhm.
Kaya mo, Choy.
Saan ang agila?
So that's what it looks like.
Kaya, try.
Ang hirap eh.
Hirap.
Hirap ba yan? Agila? Si Agila?
As he just
Duterte. Ay, simula ng pangalan ni Duterte.
Suha, suha.
that's my tita
Nagsimula
in one way my mama died.
ano?
Sa mga galing si Duterte. Sa probinsya.
Letter D. Saan ba yung suha?
Di.
Davao.
And there's tiny animals. It's some big like those.
Dati Chawa. Sulat niya pando.
They love each other.
Hindi ako.
Sarap mo, Choy.
What's some big
Sa
one?
ano?
Come on, come on.
Ano sa uyo?
She doesn't. I think she doesn't have friends.
Nagaway kayo ha. Tataba nila no?
Hindi ako magaling sa
Parang
ano.
What are they doing?
Pagkain mga pagkain. Pagkain eh. Kukunin yan. Nag-aabang lang siguro.
Daddy, say hello to my vlog. This is by Lola, and this is by Ate Chan, Ate Marga, and this is Luis.
A-O yan ah.
Right there.
Yan.
And this is Lolo. And this is Tito. And Tita. Yeah. And this
Bakit ka napahirapan niyo sa akin? Tuntua. Bakit? Kita mo naman sulat mo.
everyone, right.
Oo. Luzon? Ay, Luzon. Luzon? Oo.
Look, Lola can take a picture first.
Caloocan.
Probinsya, bigyan ng tip.
Okay.